Once more, the caracal is surprised. The big lizard, its neck protected by thick skin and heavy scales, does not collapse in the cat's stranglehold, but continues to struggle with great strength. The lizard breaks the hold with such force that the cat does not strike again. Its tail poised to deliver a whip-like blow, the leguan braces for another attack, but it does not come.
Junior is after him. The mouse tries to hide, but Junior's learned his hunting lesson well. Rule 1, always keep your opponent off balance and keep after him. Never give up.